Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to buy crypto on eToro. So if you want to buy crypto on eToro, here's a quick guide on how to get it done. So the first thing you have to do is tap on the discover option at the right side and the left side of the toolbar. Then from there you have access to a couple of crypto. Is the overview. Then you can just tap on the stock. If you want problem, you can buy Tesla, you can buy Amazon, you can even buy the Apple stock, depends. So just going to crypto. So you just come down here, you can buy from the market cap, and this is the market cap, and the Ethereum has the largest market cap, which is pretty cool. So just tap on the Ethereum. You can see this is the market value right here. Then this is the top chart, the performance of the market cap. Now if you want to buy this, just tap on trade, then follow the next prompt. Then you can also initiate the buying. And also here's a quick note you have to have a back of mind. If you want to buy crypto from the market cap, you must make sure available money in your portfolio. Right now you can see I have zero cash available in my portfolio, so I won't be able to purchase any crypto in the cap market. So if you want to purchase any crypto, the first thing you have to do is add funds to your portfolio. Then from there you can now go to discover option to purchase or to buy cryptos to your portfolio, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow for more. Thank you.